Hey y'all, it's your friend D. And a few videos ago, one of you suggested I go to Marshall's or TJ Maxx and search for mini brands because they usually have them on sale. So I decided to give it a try because I hadn't been to either one of those stores in a few months. And at Marshall's, I was able to find a couple of the 2-pack Mini Brands Foodie Series 2 for only $7. The first item is we got a Kung Pao tea, and this one actually moves. So is this a rare one? You see the liquid? Yeah, let me check the guide. So this one is actually ultra rare. That's pretty cool. And I thought the boba tea pearls were stuck at the bottom, but they move also. You can see them settling down. This is really fun. Next, we have a burrito in silver wrapping, and I think the white portion of the wrapper says Jack, so this must be from Jack in the Box, and I think it's a breakfast burrito. It looks like there's some eggs and cheese and maybe some sausage. And since the wording on this isn't very noticeable, I can definitely use this in my diner. In this bag, we have a yellow jumbo smoothie. Next bag, we have a bowl of ramen. And it looks like my bowl has some chipped paint there and on this side. But it still overall is pretty nice. And this one we have a dish from P.F. Chang, and the lid does come off, but I'm not sure which dish this is. The collector's guide doesn't have the names of the items, but here it looks like some kind of green leafy vegetable like lettuce or cabbage, and over here looks like maybe some meat with green onions, and it's on a bed of rice. Let's open another bowl. The first bag in that capsule is, I finally got the Auntie Anne's lemonade. This is one that I was missing from my collection and I really wanted it. It looks really good. I do wish there was a straw, but I like that there's ice on top. So I'm happy I got this one. Maybe if I turn it this way, I can use it in the diner. Next we have, that bag had 2 items. We got a stack of euros, and we got a bowl with a jumbo, I think this is a smoothie bowl with some fruit and granola on top. I do already have one of these, so this is a duplicate. Here we have, another burrito. I think this one is a hamburger from the looks of the packaging. And it is. So this is a TGI Fridays burger, and the box can close and open. And we have a nice little burger. And I'm going to try to take this out, and that way I can use it in my diner. I was able to pop it out, and it looks really good. I did scratch it a little here, but we'll just keep that turned to the back side. So yeah, I think that's going to look pretty nice in the diner. Our last bag in this capsule is, we got another Kung Pao tea, and this one is in a different cup than the one we got earlier. And here are the 2 cups side by side. So this one is in a clear one, and this is the ultra rare, and this one is covered in a white and black, and I guess in the middle it looks like fire, but I'm glad we got some variety. Our third bowl, this completely stood out when I opened that surprise bowl. I've never seen silver packaging in any of the previous ones I bought, so I'm excited to see what's in this. Let's open it up. And it's just a juice. Okay, wonk wonk. So I checked it against the one we got earlier, which is this one, just to make sure there wasn't anything different about this one, and there is not, except that it was in silver wrapping. Moving on, we have more P.F. Chang. This is a new one for me, and this looks really good. Looks like some kind of dumpling and some sauce. And here we have a Jack in the Box milkshake, and I think it's strawberry. It's pink, or it could be cherry, but it has a lot of whipped cream on top and a cherry on top. I wish it came with a straw, and I think I can get away with using it in a diner if I face it this way. The next bag is very flat, so I'm thinking it's a pizza. It's a Pizza Hut pizza, and the box does open, and we have a pepperoni pizza. The pizza can be removed from the box, and it's finished all the way around. The crust doesn't look very realistic on the bottom, but the top looks pretty good. And I can use this in the diner, but I think it would make a better prop in the, I think it's called the Barbie Chill and Grill that I have, because that has a pizza oven. So this might go over there. Next out of that surprise ball is another burrito. So we're definitely going to have to put breakfast burritos on the menu. Our fourth ball, and that didn't work. Let's try again. And our first bag in that capsule is a Cinnabon drink, and I'm guessing it's a coffee drink, maybe a cold brew. There is some whipped cream on top with some chocolate drizzle, and it says Cinnabon on the front as well as the back. And I'm not sure if I can take this off, because I think I have one of these already. So if I have a duplicate, I'm going to try to take this off later, and that could be like a chocolate milkshake in the diner. In this next bag, it feels like there's two separate items inside of it. Let's see what we have. We have one bag and two bags. I got another item that I've been wanting. These are the Jack in the Box tacos, and you get two of them. They look exactly the same, but you can see the taco shell. There's some meat and lettuce with some red sauce, and looks like a slice of cheese is peeking out. I really like that you get two tacos and the wrapping is removable. I wish they would do more of this, and it's like getting extra for your money, because usually you only get 5 items unless you get the money, and I don't really count that as a mini. And I wouldn't be upset if things like the burritos came to a bag. In this bag, I think we have another pizza. It's pretty thin. We got another pepperoni pizza. I have a feeling this one is one of those sushi dishes. Yep. This one is a new one for me. I usually get the tuna one all of the time, but I really like the way this one looks. I'm thinking that's caviar on top. You can see the little pearls or beads on top of the sushi roll. And the roll is green, and you get a lime on the side of each roll. And these come in these little warmers that can close and open, and you can also remove the plates. In this bag we have, and I think some money just flew away. We got another smoothie bowl, and we got more money. I think these are francs. I can't read it, so that's what I'm gonna go with. I think these are francs. And I guess the money only comes with the smoothie bowls. I think $7 was a great price for the 2-pack of the Foodie Mini Brands. My store only had 2 of the 2-packs, so I grabbed those up. I'm gonna go back later and see if they've marked any of the other ones down, but I'm so happy I was able to find some items that I can use in my diner, and I want to give a big shout out to the subscriber who suggested I go to those stores and search for Mini Brands. So my friends, that's all I have for you today. If you have any questions about anything in this video, please leave it in the comments below. I will try my best to answer your questions. And if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and turn on your notifications. I'll see you next time, my friends. Bye-bye.